Hello, friends. Hope you're well. And I'm back with another amazing idea that is plated level button long shirt maxi. It's a versatile and trendy piece of clothing that has been gaining popularity among women. This stylish outfit combines the classic elements of a plaid shirt with the elegance of a maxi dress to create a chic and comfortable ensembles. One great way to wear this outfit is to pair it with ankle boots and a leather jacket for a casual yet edgy look. The plaid lapel adds a touch of sophistication to the ensemble, while the long shirt maxi provides a comfortable and relaxed feel. This outfit is perfect for a day out with friends or a casual evening event. For a more polished look, you can wear this dress with a pair of high heels and accessorize with statement jewelry. This creates a more formal and elegant look, perfect for a business meeting or a night out on the town. Another great way to wear the plaid lapel button long shirt maxi is to layer it with a denim jacket or a cardigan. This adds an extra layer of warmth and style, making it a great outfit for the cooler months. Additionally, you can add a belt to chin waist and create a more defined silhouette. Overall, the plaid level button long shirt maxi is a versatile and fashionable outfit that can be worn in a variety of settings. Whether you are looking for a casual or a formal look, this dress is sure to impress with its comfortable yet elegant design. It's the perfect addition to any wardrobe. It can be worn by the young girls and the women's also over 30 or 40 years old. It will look elegant and versatile on both. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like it and like all the ideas in it. If you like our channel or if you like our videos, do comment us and tell us about the ideas. And if you want some more ideas about anything, you can contact us or you can comment us. We will make videos on those ideas. So subscribe our channel and hit the like button so that you can get the notification of our videos at once. Thank you for watching.